Thanks for requesting our free guide to estate planning in Georgia. If you're doing research, you likely have many questions about what estate planning is, what you may need for your situation, and how the process works. Well, I've got some great information in the free guide that you can download by clicking the link in the email we sent you. There, you'll find answers to many frequently asked questions we receive, along with some valuable information that you need to know but may not yet know enough to ask. So, what's next? Often people calling our office have questions about the process. How much time does it take and what's involved? And some even ask, well, can I go ahead and start if I don't yet know who I should pick to fill out key roles for my plan, such as guardian, executor, or trustee, for example? Here's the good news. Yes, you can get started, and estate planning doesn't have to be hard, and we can help. So the process really begins when we meet for our Georgia Family Protection Strategy session. In this meeting that may last anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and a half or so, we're going to sit down, discuss your situation in depth, review a questionnaire that we'll have you complete prior to our meeting, and when we're done with this meeting, we will have figured out how to best design a plan customized for your family. From there, it takes typically a few days to a week to get the plan documents drafted and ready for you to review. We'll send those to you to review. We'll answer any questions that you have, make any changes that are necessary, and then we'll schedule a meeting to get the documents signed. At this next meeting where we sign the documents, we're going to make sure that they're properly signed and witnessed to be effective under Georgia law. That meeting takes about 25 minutes or so, and when you leave, you'll leave with the original and a copy of your documents. And we'll also talk about what do you do next? How do you store the documents? Do you give a copy to anybody? And typical questions like that. Well, the process for the estate plan is pretty straightforward and one that should not intimidate you. When your plan is done and properly signed, I think that you're likely going to feel relief as well as a sense of accomplishment, knowing that you took the needed steps to protect yourself and your family. When you work with experienced professionals at the Beck Law Firm, you'll see that estate planning doesn't have to be hard, and we can help. Thanks.